What to expect on your first day at the Dki Inouye Asia-Pacific Center for Security Studies while under COVID-19 restrictions. Aloha, and welcome to the Dki Inouye Asia-Pacific Center for Security Studies. Upon your arrival, please social distance at the flagpole at the front of the building, and you will be called up one at a time for your temperature check and to answer our 6-question questionnaire. Please push pause now to review those questions. The next step as you proceed through the double doors will be to sanitize your hands and proceed one at a time to the check-in area. You will notice that all individuals are wearing a mask at this time. We require that you as well participate in this action. The tables in both lanai areas are set up with reminder signs that clearly show that we would like you to wear your mask at all times and keep to one person per table. Bathroom capacity has been limited to 3 individuals at once. The water fountains are also secured at this time with the exception of the water bottle filling apparatus. The desks at Malahia Hall are evenly spaced 6 feet apart for your safety. We would ask that you respect this distance while participating in the classrooms with other students. We also have disinfectant wipes and hand sanitizer for your protection for cleaning of the workstation throughout the day. We have implemented these rules for not only your safety but the safety of the faculty. Please observe social distancing and keep your mask on at all times unless you are actively taking a drink of water or consuming food. If at any time you have questions about the safety rules or procedures, please ask one of our safety officers or the course manager. They will be able to help you. Thank you.